New to Scalable? In this video, I will show you how to buy EFTs on Scalable. Let's get started. First, download the Scalable app and sign up your account. Then find the search option. Click that and it will bring you to this page. There are many topics of stocks and EFTs you can buy. These are categories. You can either search EFTs or find your suitable EFTs to buy in these categories. There is also a EFT sorting section that can help you find EFTs. Remember, to buy stocks or EFTs, you will need balance in your account. Let's say I want to buy Alphabet A. I will have to start by searching Alphabet A first. To find EFTs, I will need to select the EFT option here. After finding a specific EFT, just click on it. As you can see, there is an option to buy. Before buying it, make sure this is the one you need to buy by scrolling down and see further info. Then just press buy to purchase the EFT. Then simply just add amount. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like.